Well, that was 2 or 3 minutes, and yeah, there was just a hiccup on the the ET1 quit. All 4 engines running on the generator box connected to the ET1, so that was pretty cool. Hopefully I can figure out a way to smooth the power out, and maybe we will find something with a little bit more power to spin that generator. Maybe the ET8 will run the generator and be able to run all of the engines off of the generator smoothly like that. Because right now we're just at keeping the ET1 from becoming unhappy. But that was pretty cool, and we'll see what we can do about changing that up to run longer. So we'll put the batteries back in and just run these the rest of the way out of fuel.